This morning I'm going to be taking something very interactive, something very simple. It's called fluid painting. Fluid painting. And the aspect of fluid painting we're doing this morning is called dirty cup pouring. Now, when you say dirty cup pouring, you want to know why. Now, because we're going to be getting some inks on our hands, and that's why I have these surgical gloves. So we're going to be working with all colors, different kind of colors. You got the acrylic paint, you got the water, cups, spoon, and the canvas, and then your aprons, so as to prevent ink from getting to you. Now, when I'm teaching a class, I'll try to explain the purpose, the reason why we're taking the class. Now, you might want to ask, why are we taking this particular course? Now, dirty cup pouring means you're going to be putting different kind of colors in this cup, and then you're going to be flipping it on top of this canvas, and then you allow the colors to spread of their own accord. Now, by the time the colors spread, you're going to have different kind of interactions, the flow of colors, the motions, the different kind of effects they're going to create. Now, this can be used both on a small canvas or on a big canvas. Basically, I'm going to use that for decoration in your house. You know, you can create what we call an abstract painting. Abstract painting. Basically, abstract painting is not necessarily, it won't give you any kind of pictorial, you know, by the time you finish, you never know what you're going to get. By the time you finish the painting, then you cannot see different things in the painting. So, oh, this looks like a rainbow, like a moon, like a car, like a tree, like a vegetation. That's what we get when you're painting abstract wise. So basically, we're going to be doing abstract painting, but we're going to be allowing the colors to flow. That's what we call it, fluid painting, using acrylic. Now, the process is very simple. I'm going to be pouring a color, each of the colors in each cup. And I'm going to be tinning them, I'll tin them down with water. I'll make them very, viscous, as in very easy to flow on the canvas.
Sounds cool.
Then, you're going to love it. So, by the time I have all the colors, we'll probably use 5 colors. For a start, I'll mix like black in this cup, red in this cup. This is like darker chocolate shade in this color, silver in this cup, and yellow or gold or blue in one cup. I'll mix each color, in each cup, and then when I start pouring all the colors layer by layer in each cup until all the colors are in one cup. And when all the colors are in one cup, then you're going to use our canvas, put it on top of mix all the colors, and then we'll flip over. And that way, we'll start releasing them little by little. Now, when you release them, then you now take the colors and move them all over the canvas until it spreads and fill all the surface of the canvas. That's why we have this brown paper to cover the table so that you don't get messy. And that's why I encourage you, if you don't like colors to stain your hands, even though these are water soluble, you can wash your hands with water. You don't need any special thinning materials to wash your hands. So because acrylic are water soluble, you can wash your hands easily with water. Then when you spread them out and then you leave them and begin to see how the colors interact on their own, and then you create a masterpiece.
Where's the 6th cup that we pour them all into one in?
Yes, I'm going to be giving you one more cup. Okay.
Or is it one?
Now,
or
I'm
do we use one
cup, and then you pour all the colors in the other cups. Because we have only 4 left. So
5.
So you have 5, and they're going to be using one for all the colors, and then you pour it into each other.
Okay.
That way, you're going to create a masterpiece, and trust me, by the time we're done with this class, you're going to create some different colors. So I'll have different colors used so I don't want people to use the same colors. I want to use different colors. That way you can have something beautiful, lovely. And you're going to be very, interested. I think you're done with the class. So let's just start the process now. Thank you very much.